Wanu Nandi, Turana Tuinandi, Board of Directors for the Fijian National Provident Fund, the Board of Directors for Fijian Holdings, Board of Directors of the Fale Group, Marriott International, Area Team for Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Meo Sambulare, and a very good evening to you all. I am pleased to be back in Denarau after having officiated at the Fiji Tourism Expo only a few weeks ago. Thank you for having me. At the outset, allow me to congratulate the Fiji National Provident Fund, who are the proud owners of this beautifully upgraded resort. The vision and the decision to purchase 2 iconic Denarau resorts in 2018 and the additional investments to refurbish this hotel is indeed admirable. It is evident of the organization's commitment to build for the future of its members' interest, your organization's vast impact on Fiji's tourism industry, and your support to the livelihoods of ordinary Fijians, including our Taukei landowners. I want to especially acknowledge the timing of this event during the COVID-19 pandemic, when our borders were closed, our economy was contracting. Tour commitment to this project created activity and confidence in our tourism sector when Fiji needed it most, and we thank you. Now we can recover together and add to the tens of thousands of guests across generations who stayed here for the past 3 decades. The Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach Resort continues to provide employment to about 600 people. It offers innovative guest programs, undertakes community engagement, and contributes to sustainable efforts. Importantly, this fine establishment is 100% local. Well done to FNPF. I also wish to congratulate Mr. Sean Hunt, the Area Vice President of Australia, New Zealand and Pacific, for Marriott International, and Mr. Niraj Chanda, the Multi-Property Vice President for Fiji and Samoa, Marriott International, and the respective teams on the back-to-back opening of 3 world-class Sheraton resorts since March 16, all operated by Marriott International across our magnificent Fiji Islands. Earlier this month, I opened the Fiji Tourism Expo with great pride. To see the resilience of our people and the collaborative true the spirit of Team Fiji across all sectors is just remarkable. That resilient spirit has helped us navigate the pandemic. We have truly come out stronger. This opening adds to evidence that everyone here knows that tourism is one of our major drivers of Fiji's economic growth and our largest resource of foreign exchange, earnings, and employment. The livelihoods of thousands of Fijians rely on this vital industry, and it's rewarding to see our tourism workforce get back to its feet. Ladies and gentlemen, as more international markets continue to open back up, we are certainly optimistic about the future. Our national carrier, Fiji Airways, connects us to the rest of the world. In recent announcement, the additional Australian leg to service Adelaide from July 4th is exciting and presents more opportunity for us to extend the reach of our unique Mbula spirit. The timeless beauty of Fiji is more attractive to visitors than ever, after 2 years of not being able to travel. They come to our shores to experience our pristine, uncrowded beaches, world-class luxury accommodation, nature, flora, and fauna, and adventure experiences, the warm tropical weather, friendly and generous hospitality, all of which the Marriott International Fiji Resorts offer to its guests. I acknowledge the strong support of both the Fiji National Provident Fund and the Marriott International in helping rebuild Fiji's tourism and Fiji's economy. The Marriott International Fiji suite of properties also seeks to offer guests an understanding the way of life in Fiji through its activities and experience. It provides guests with a unique and exciting immersion into our local communities through a series of programs that support the local, the environment, and our industries. Tonight is a significant occasion as under the Marriott International Fiji flagship. We celebrate the reopening of the iconic Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach Resort. I also want to add that this isn't all about tourism. As Mr. Abraham has mentioned, this resort is one of Fiji's premier hosting venues for regional and international meetings. As Fiji's stars continue to rise on the world stage, we look forward to making more history within these halls. The world continues to look to Fiji to lead the most important issues affecting the planet, and we do not shy away from that responsibility. With venues such as this, the world most certainly will be clamoring to come to Fiji. Most, if not all of us have treasured memories of this old Sheraton Fiji resort, region Fiji. I am sure we will share our experiences and personal recollections with guests and friends present here tonight. As we go down memory lane, let us be equally appreciative of the accomplishments that have made this opening possible tonight. Fiji is truly back in business. Ladies and gentlemen, may the Almighty God continues to bless us and bless Fiji. Nagawale.